All right, go ahead. Alright guys, today on this episode we're going to finish this truck. Now, this truck is not perfect, but we're going to get it sanded down, get it ready to paint. We're going to use spray paint just because we got to keep the cost down. So we're going to do a couple things on this video, and this truck will be ready. It will be for sale. In fact, it is for sale right now on eBay. Alright, we're going to speed this up. We got a whole truck to do. Not that you're going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and record all this whole truck while we're doing it. So we'll do a little bit on the top here, and then we'll come back when I get it all sanded. Alright, we got it all sanded down. I just rinsed off all the dust. So we'll let all this dry up. Then we'll come back. I might hand dry it too, but we'll come back and tape it all off so that we can paint it, which run out of daylight today, so I'll probably get it all taped off and get up in the morning, early in the morning, get out here and paint it before it gets too hot and windy. Alright guys, there it is, freshly spray painted. It's still drying. I've got, it's still a little tacky, but I've got all the tape off. It is definitely not a professional job, but I think it came out pretty good for what it is. And I didn't, that little strip that went underneath, went ahead and took that off. And while I was down there, I went ahead and sprayed all the underneath black. Give it a cleaner look. So, there's a dent that was in it, if y'all can remember the dent. Still a little bit there, but not as bad. But with all the scratches and everything this thing had, I think it looks a lot better than it did. I painted the windshield wiper arms blue when I was painting. I might go back and paint them black. There's some overspray there I gotta clean up. But like I said, it's still drying. Okay guys, I was having trouble finding 15s. So this spray paint's still drying. Hopefully it's raining hold off for a little bit. Anyway, I found these 20s. Traded them for some amps and subs. Now it's not sitting on the ground right now, it's still up on jack stands. It's just kind of a sneak peek. We'll get them polished up and cleaned up. That's them right there. Alright, we're going to do this power steering fluid here. I've got my bottle set. I took this sprayer nozzle out, and then I'm just going to bring it over, put it in here, and just squeeze it all out. You can see the lines empty. So I've already been doing a little bit, but you take it, stick it down in the corner. I might have both hands to do this, but anyway, so you take this and stick it down in the corner. Then you could take this and it'll suck all that old stuff out. My old oil containers here I need to go dump. But you can see this old power steering fluid is not really good. So we'll get it all sucked out. We'll run some more in it. We'll move the steering back and forth. and then we'll pour some more in there. But since I don't have a thing to get the power steering fluid out, this is gonna have to work for me. Alright, well, we're finished with this vehicle. Before we show how it looks now, let's take a look back and see how it looked before everything. Look at this interior. Yeah, the carpet's trash, seats trash. Look at all the wiring down there. Yeah, that's just crazy down there. That was a nightmare for sure. So we got all that cleaned up and tucked away. You'll see here in the after video here in a second. This is again all the before video. You see the ignition's gone, dash is all dirty, interior's disgusting. No lights in the interior. See all these scrapes and scratches. There's the 15s. There's the trim going above the chrome there. All the scratches on the tailgate. There's a spare tire because the other 15, the tire was bad. There's a dent there. They worked on a little bit. And like I said, all these scrapes and the bad spots in the paint and everything. Let's get this hood open. There's the old grill that was all busted and cracked. That was before we lubed the hood, couldn't get it open. No throttle body cover. It's all dirty and nasty. And now we'll switch over and do the walk around after it's finished. And here it is, folks. This is still a project truck. It is not super nice. The paint job is not perfect. But overall, it's a good truck and it's a great project. You can see the interior is clean. Got the carpet painted, which came out pretty nice. Got the radio put in the dash. Got the lights up. You can see no wires hanging down everywhere. It's all tucked back and rewired. Took the strip that was above the chrome, took all that trim off. There's these wheels all shined up. Look much better than the 15s in my opinion. All the big scrapes and scratches are gone. There's a light there. I gotta get the new plastic piece behind this. It's kind of coming loose. We'll pop this engine bay. You'll see it's much cleaner than it was. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. Got some more videos coming up soon.